So just focus on the things that work for you and keep it as simple as possible. Now the class is coming to an end. We went through different systems. The biggest takeaway is to start small. Don't try and tackle too many things at once. Focus on one and do that really well and build up on top of that. Second is the rule of three, which prioritizes the system. Focus on 3 principles for the week and the day. And lastly, just use one system. Don't keep jumping from one app to the other. Pick one which works for you and stick to it. Please don't change it. At the end of the day, it comes down to the plan, do, review. Make sure whatever system you use, start planning out your week, month and year. Be able to do those things and reflect on those things. It's a simple formula that you should use into your day-to-day. I love to hear from you and what works for your project ideas on your day-to-day tasks and your week-to-week tasks, so others can be inspired and the scheduling of your day, weeks and months. I love to hear about systems that you use or are working on. The more we share, the more we learn. Now for a quick test.